In order to understand this video, please pay careful attention to everything I'm going to say. So basically, YouTube determines the algorithm by making use of ranking signals, like personalization, which is the audience's history and preferences, performance, which is the overall success of the video, and external factors like the overall audience or market. But for this video, I am only going to focus on the performance ranking signal. It is measured through metrics like click-through rate, retention rate, watch time, but I am mainly going to focus on retention rate, which is the average percentage viewed of a video. Therefore, if a YouTube video is watched all the way through with a normal playback speed, its retention rate will be counted as 100%, which means that if you reduce the playback speed to 0.25x, your retention rate will be counted as 400%. YouTube has also confirmed that retention rate remains to be a big metric to their algorithm. I have a small audience, so seeing how this video performs with such a low target audience will help me understand the YouTube algorithm better, because I would like to see if people are interested in YouTube's performances. And lastly, if you found this video intriguing, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more how to everyday content. Until next time.